Hindi pa din natatapos ang mga resibong nilalabas ni Ellen Adarna sa mga ginawa di umano sa kanya ng kanyang asawang si Derek. Sa kanyang social media, muli na naman naglabas si Ellen ng recording video na kung saan ay maririnig kung paano siyang pagsalitaan ng hindi maganda ni Derek at sigaw-sigawan siya nito. Tila may pinag-aawayan ng dalawa na nag-udyok kay Derek na magalit ng ganon kay Ellen. Ngunit ayon sa netizens, wala naman umanong problema kung mag-away ang mag-asawa. Pero dapat wala umanong cursing na nangyayari dahil red flag na daw talaga ito.
That's the ultimate fucking...
Yeah, because you're shouting. You're always shouting.
Ellen, pwedeng
You always raise your voice.
Shouting. I'm always shouting.
You don't have
Jess,
to
alam
raise...
ikaw na ba ako dito sa pamahay na to?
Tumag, Jess.
Napakamanhid mo. Putang ito na! Sa'yo na to, putang ina! Ha? Pareho!
Diba, I told you I was quiet because why was she so worried about the things when the house is
Maybe
falling
because
off?
that means something
Oh,
to her.
okay.
Kasi ang problema sa'yo, everything is an object that can be
Okay.
replaced. So sabihin mo sa akin, pareho kami? Sabihin mo, tignan mo mangyayari dito. Sabihin mo! Hindi mo masabi. I wish you could look at yourself in the mirror and see how you are. You're too cool. You're the shit. Ano ba ng mga boss mo? Puta, puro ka pasisira sa akin. Grabe, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ang taong mahal mo, walang magsabing maganda tungkol sa'yo. Pareho pala kami? Bakit mo ako pinakasalan? Puta ina.
Kasunod ng recording video, sinabi ni Ellen na ang katulad ng kanyang naranasan ay hindi dapat tinotolerate ng mga kababaihan. Sinabi pa nitong napag-usapan umano nila ng mga ex ni Derek Ramsey na siya na lamang ang maging spokesperson na since siya naman umano ang walang takot sa kanilang lahat. Ang mga naranasan umano ni Ellen ay mas malala pa pala sa mga naranasan ng mga ex ni Derek noong sila pa ng mga ito. And the reason I'm exposing this is simple. Behavior like this, cheating, psychological abuse, disrespect toward women should never be tolerated. When we stay silent, we enable it. Women deserve safety, honesty, and respect. And calling this out is how we break the pattern and demand accountability. After talking and comparing notes with the exes, we agreed na ako na lang ang spokesperson since I'm the fearless one enough to speak. They've actually endured worse than I have, and they gave me their full blessing to raise the banner for all of us, and told them, "Don't worry, I got you girls." Well, if this is how they are just few years in the marriage, buti na lang naghiwalay. Kawawa ang mga bata if they would witness such distress in their life growing up. Nagpa-sad boy kasi si Derek kaya Ellen posted about him cheating. Tapos ngayon, nag-comment si Derek na he never cursed at her so she posted a recording of him cursing at her. Bottom line, Derek should sit this one out. Looks like Ellen will always choose. I remember nung bagong kasal sila, puro sila post sa SOCMED na happy couple tas kung ano-ano sinishare nila, then this happened. Mukhang may hugot din si Derek based sa mga words niya. For sure, di lang naman siya yung toxic dito. Both of them actually. Parang ang toxic nila pareho. Seems like Ellen is comparing Derek to JLC with the pareho pala kami remark na gaslight, yung isa naman mukhang sobrang hot-headed. Buti na lang at naghiwalay sila. Yun lang alam na natin, dirty laundry nila kasi umabot sila sa ganito na sinishare na lahat online. Parehas namang red flag, only one side of the story yung napakinggan sa recording. Hala, sige, magbardagulan kayo sa internet. Parang hindi nyo naman kinain ang isa't isa. Tapos nagpakasal pa. Buti na lang naghiwalay na, for God's sake. Sana matapos na silang dalawa sa patutsadahan. Pareho lang naman at fault. And yes, dahil lalaki si D, matik kay E ang sympathy. Not support Derek, pero ang sinasabi niya sa last recording is when somewhat masakit without knowing the real context. Ang taong mahal mo, wala sinabi magandang tungkol sa'yo. Just saw an article why marriage always fail is dahil sinisira yung image ng partner sa ibang tao. Pero knowing Derek cheated 9 days after marriage is what I got from this is maybe Ellen is really an alpha and that's what all his hugots are about. Hindi niya matanggap na hindi kaya mag-submit ni Ellen sa kamachohan niya. I'll admit it, this whole circus is entertaining in the saddest way because if either of these two had the emotional IQ of a dump rag, we wouldn't be here watching their marriage rot on camera. And I'm not pretending the recording proves the full story either. It's one angle, one moment, one curated meltdown, but the fact it even exists tells you how you screwed up. The dynamic must have been behind closed doors. They both contributed to this dumpster fire, whether unevenly or in different ways, and whatever sympathy anyone tries to manufacture for either side is fiction at this point. The only one who never had a choice in this mess is the kid, stuck absorbing the fallout of two adults who should never have been paired to begin with.